pussy them suck and bite pan. The weed me smoke it high man. So rise.
So what she just say a while ago? She just say, yo, I can't wait the one for iPan. I pum them boy that suck and bite pan.
Reaction.
Yo, viewers and subscribers, this song came out 6 minutes ago. You feel me? And right now, Skeng, Vanessa, Bling, Badness. We see that song get teased on the gram. And teased on Instagram. And then we in the studio, rare. So leave a like on the video, comment. You see me, I say drop your comments and drop some subscribers. People, we are cherished 22k subscribers right now. We think we're 21.7k. So by I want to say my birthday February 18 now, people. I think there's 23k by my birthday. Not see what about. Anyways, Badness official video. Don't read it. You see me, I say so okay, ready me I go in the bag. I think DJ might big up yourself in the daddy. You see me? I tell you, on Instagram in the dog, I'm going to see it, I can repost the thing to another dog. I don't tell you to another. Bam back back, man. Shalom! Come down now, man. Anyways, Vanessa, Bling, Skeng, DJ Mac. I'm going to see what I'm going for that one. Badness. Run tune. Girl and girl. Every time I hear the beat, I say, bounce! One girl every day. That's all I hear every time I hear the video. But I'm going to see what I'm going right now. Run it. Yo boy, I want my papa. I'm going to my papa in that video. I want my papa in that video. How are I going this? How can I eagle this? How can I injection this? Let me see what I go on.
Can't we them want for iPan?
See me officer, not no more. 2 words, don't you say? I can't we them want for iPan. You see me, I say, make we see where it's going right now, because right now, Vanessa being ready to deal with the thing. Very brawling. Very brawling. Vanessa being talk your talk, woman.
I pussy them suck and bite pan. The weed me smoke it high man. So rise.
So what she just say a while ago? She just say, yo, I can't wait the one for iPan. I pum them boy that suck and bite pan. Me blood clean. Vanessa being one on.
The weed me smoke it high man.
Yeah.
So rise, Skeng done, cause we no afraid of no one.
Yo, yeah, earth up Skeng on the head for Vanessa. You know, say Skeng a madman from them long time there. And you tell him to rise a rifle. You know, say Skeng we shot a man now. Vanessa Bling, Skeng we shot a man now. You know, star.
So me stay from day one.
Yeah.
Badness, what you know about badness? Me not know this.
I don't know a thing about badness, okay? I don't know nothing about badness, so you can put on the bumbuckler axe, you see me? And you can chop off my finger, you know, me don't know nothing about badness, but it's a reactive music video. I do it on a daily basis. I entertain my local viewers them. I don't know nothing. Alright.
Me don't care who the guy. Badness, what you know about badness?
You say we don't know nothing about no bad. Let me skip that part there.
Badness.
No, me nah miss this song. I must be mad.
From your this you go die.
We must be mad. Me if you skip that, you must be mad to blood cleat. Alright then now, Skeng done. Me hear what you have to say, number G. I don't want you to go too dark and win the dog. You see me? I say, come on, I want you to go up on the second stop. I don't want you to come on the stage right now, you know. You see me? I say, shut up man now and die, motherfucker, die. Yeah, you go tell me. Yo, run through. Let me see what I say now. Skeng, talk to it.
Punish town badness. How we rise the crime, them can't handle it. Find it alright, believe in my wrongness.
What the fuck is this music video? What the hell is this music video, yo? What? Yeah.
Fucking your loving, your bossing, your gun. Look in your eyes, baby, until you come.
Now, I know Miss Vanessa Bling, you look damn good for you know, for your age and thing, you know, but looking at me and do what, tell him do what? Easier bumbo class if you come down now. They need to calm down. Alright, start get talk.
Them even know say you love my gun.
Yeah.
Lift up the new one, the one with the jump.
Someone say bring like a gun them. And she keep them. Lift up the one with the jump.
Them even know say you love my gun. Lift up the new one, the one with the jump.
That real Miss Vanessa Bling. I find out something new about you every day. Okay. I see, said the blind man. Alright.
What you know about Badness? From your this young could die.
Just ship down a 15, listen me.
Query was Skeng after say that. Skeng said him just shipped on a 15. Die motherfucker die. Bumbuckler. Anyways. Ready. I'm saying now, just shit on a 15, listen me.
King I figure that pan the scene. I mean no mercy if I no one away. We fuck be discreet, we brawling on a date. Who know that?
You know say yo, I'm not discreet. Man say fuck the discreet. It's doing it very brawling. Me ratted him now hide and shoot you and now hide a chopper face.
Free them the evil ones speak, cause them know me. Put all them grandma to sleep. Hell I feeling like me if I made this all my jet.
No, hold on there. Una pretty visuals. Maggot in a eye. Mouth. I'm scared.
Me put all them grandma to sleep. Hell I feeling like
And a real and them there. You know should say it's a props. I am scared.
if I made this all my jet. Me left in the street now, spread out a blade. Everything I get murder. Yo, bring them in the know with the murder. Find them.
I need a drink. People, when it's all of them they say me a meds and me I go through and me I listen to the song and react and react. Me now meds say yo, the visuals is this. What can I say? Revealing. Me don't even want to use certain words from the tube right now. Badness? What you know about badness? Me was glad. What is your side tune?
Anyway, I'm searching with the burner. And anyway, I'm sight to me go hurt. I swear upon my life, believe me gon' curb ya.
The dog say anyway, I'm sight to me go hurt you. You better believe that. You would have You know, one of the thoughts on that like down in the comment section and the video itself. Come never all along with the same react, I never realize I saw the visuals are going. What the bumbuckle belt? Run tune.
Hey, tongue down and hurt.
Yeah.
In between the red dirt.
Yeah.
From your this young could die.
Because what? Badness! I left know I saw it done. It done. It done. I just saw it done. Vanessa Bling. I see you. You do your thing. Skeng. You don't know say you do your thing from them time, man. Anyways, people. What your thoughts? What your thoughts? Anyways, reaction boss, I sign out here, man. I go see what it's drop. If you some reaction to it, is a message. Leave a like on the video, go and comment, and go and subscribe. For this time, I'm out.